Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about something super close to my heart, keeping your skin looking absolutely youthful and radiant. We're diving deep into the world of oils, darlings. These aren't just any oils. We're talking about potent elixirs packed with antioxidants and nutrients that combat wrinkles and give you that lit from within glow. Get ready to transform your skincare routine because I'm sharing my top 10 favorite oils for youthful, radiant skin. Whether you're just starting your skincare journey or a seasoned pro, there's an oil out there for you, and I'm here to help you find your perfect match. Let's unlock the secrets to timeless beauty together. Are you ready? Let's go! Meet Argan Oil, often called liquid gold. Extracted from Moroccan argan trees, it's packed with beauty benefits. Argan oil hydrates and nourishes your skin, rich in vitamin E and essential fatty acids. Use it as a nighttime treatment for soft, supple skin. Great for hair and nails too. Always choose pure organic argan oil. Next, we have Rosehip Oil, a personal favorite and a staple in my skincare routine. This oil is extracted from the seeds of rose bushes and is a true powerhouse for fighting wrinkles and giving you that youthful glow. Rosehip oil is incredibly rich in vitamins A and C. Vitamin A, in the form of retinol, reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C brightens the skin and protects it from environmental damage. Rosehip oil is also packed with linoleic acid, which helps to reduce inflammation and redness. If you're struggling with acne scars or hyperpigmentation, rosehip oil can work wonders in fading them away over time. The best way to use rosehip oil is as a serum. After cleansing and toning, apply a few drops to your face and neck, gently massaging it in until fully absorbed. You can use it both morning and night for best results. Trust me, this oil is a game changer, and once you try it, you'll be hooked. Let's move on to another incredible oil, jojoba oil. Jojoba oil isn't actually an oil, but a liquid wax ester. It resembles our skin's natural sebum, keeping it moisturized and protected. Jojoba oil balances your skin's oil production. It helps control excess sebum and provides deep hydration. Jojoba oil is non-comedogenic and suitable for sensitive skin. Packed with antioxidants, it soothes irritated skin and reduces redness. Use it as a cleanser, moisturizer, or makeup remover. Jojoba oil is a skincare superhero. Your skin will thank you. Now it's time to talk about sweet almond oil. This gentle oil is like a warm hug for your skin. It's extracted from the kernels of almond trees and is known for its light texture and nourishing properties, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. Sweet almond oil is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin E. One of my favorite ways to use sweet almond oil is as a gentle eye treatment. Before bed, gently dab a tiny amount of sweet almond oil under your eyes and massage it in using your ring finger. The light, non-greasy texture absorbs quickly, leaving your skin soft and hydrated without clogging your pores. And the best part, sweet almond oil is incredibly affordable and easily accessible. Next up is an oil that needs no introduction, coconut oil. This tropical treasure is a true multitasker, just like me. From your kitchen to your vanity, coconut oil can do it all. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, a type of fatty acid known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. This makes coconut oil excellent for acne-prone skin, as it helps to fight off acne-causing bacteria. Coconut oil is also incredibly moisturizing, thanks to its high concentration of saturated fatty acids. You can use it as a cleanser, moisturizer, or even a makeup remover. For cleansing, massage a small amount of coconut oil onto dry skin, then wipe it away with a warm washcloth. For moisturizing, apply a thin layer to damp skin after cleansing. However, a word of caution. Coconut oil can be comedogenic for some, meaning it can clog pores. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, it's best to do a patch test before applying it to your entire face. Let's talk about olive oil, an ancient beauty secret that has stood the test of time. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, especially vitamin E, and essential fatty acids, all of which work together to nourish, protect, and rejuvenate your skin. These powerful antioxidants help to fight off free radicals, which are responsible for premature aging, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. One of the best ways to enjoy the benefits of olive oil is by using it as a massage oil for your face. Before bed, after cleansing and toning, warm up a small amount of olive oil between your palms. Gently massage it onto your face and neck using upward circular motions. This will not only help the oil penetrate deeper into your skin, but also boost blood circulation, giving you a natural glow. Let's move on to another gem, marula oil. This luxurious oil is extracted from the kernels of the fruit of the marula tree, which is native to southern Africa. Marula oil is rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamin C and E. This powerful combination helps to protect your skin from environmental damage, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and even out skin tone. One of my favorite ways to use marula oil is as a daily moisturizer. After cleansing and toning, apply a few drops to your face and neck, gently massaging it in until fully absorbed. You can use it both morning and night. It absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft, supple, and glowing. But here's a pro tip. You can also mix a drop or two of marula oil with your foundation for a dewy, radiant finish. Next, we have avocado oil, a rich and creamy oil that's not just for guacamole, my friends. This oil is pressed from the flesh of avocados and is a true powerhouse of nutrients that are incredibly beneficial for your skin. Avocado oil is like a superfood for your skin. It's packed with vitamins A, D, and E, as well as essential fatty acids, all of which work together to nourish, hydrate, and protect your skin. If you have dry, dehydrated, or mature skin, avocado oil is your new best friend. Its rich, creamy texture provides deep hydration and helps to plump up the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. My favorite way to use avocado oil is as a nourishing night treatment. After cleansing and toning, warm a few drops of avocado oil between your palms and gently press it onto your face and neck. You can also use it as a weekly hair mask to add shine and hydration to dry, damaged hair. Let's talk about pomegranate seed oil. This luxurious oil is extracted from the seeds of pomegranates and is a true anti-aging powerhouse. Pomegranate seed oil is incredibly rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants help to protect your skin from environmental damage, which is a major contributor to premature aging. Pomegranate seed oil is also a good source of punicic acid, a unique fatty acid that helps to promote skin cell regeneration and reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. You can use pomegranate seed oil directly on your skin or mix it with other oils to create a potent anti-aging serum. After cleansing and toning, apply a few drops to your face and neck, gently massaging it in until fully absorbed. A little goes a long way with this oil, so start with a few drops and see how your skin responds. Last but not least, let's talk about tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a powerful essential oil that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic that can help to fight off acne-causing bacteria, reduce inflammation, and soothe irritated skin. However, a word of caution: tea tree oil is very potent and can be irritating to the skin if used undiluted. Always dilute it with a carrier oil like jojoba oil or coconut oil before applying it to your skin. To use tea tree oil for blemishes, simply mix a drop or two with a carrier oil and apply it directly to the affected area using a cotton swab. You can do this twice a day until the blemish disappears. Remember, a little goes a long way with tea tree oil, so start with a small amount and see how your skin reacts. So there you have it, my loves. Those are my top 10 favorite oils for youthful, glowing skin. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Incorporate these oils into your daily routine, and you'll start to see a noticeable difference in your skin's texture, tone, and overall appearance. Embrace the power of nature and let your inner glow shine through. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more natural beauty tips. Let's glow together.